Welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're reviewing Skip Fund Your Business, a mobile app designed to help entrepreneurs and small business owners find funding opportunities quickly and efficiently. Whether you're seeking grants, loans, or government relief programs, Skip aims to simplify the funding process and guide users through their financial journey. The Skip app provides a centralized platform where users can discover active funding programs based on their location, business type, and eligibility. One of the standout features is its real-time updates on new grants and relief opportunities. This means users don't need to constantly search government websites. The app does the hard work and delivers curated results to your dashboard. Navigating through Skip is intuitive. The interface is clean and easy to use, even for those who may not be tech-savvy. It provides clear step-by-step guides, application tips, and deadline reminders to help ensure users don't miss out on key funding options. Additionally, the app offers premium services, including one-on-one funding assistance and business formation tools for users who want a more personalized experience. Security is handled with care. Skip ensures that your business data remains safe and is only used to match you with relevant opportunities. The team behind the app also includes funding experts who provide insights and advice through blogs and video content accessible within the platform. Pros of the Skip app include timely updates on funding programs, a user-friendly interface, tailored results based on your profile, and optional premium services for more in-depth help. Cons include limited free features. The most valuable tools and personalized help are gated behind a paid subscription, and the app's usefulness may vary depending on your business size or location. Overall, Skip Fund Your Business is a powerful tool for entrepreneurs navigating the complex world of funding. It simplifies the search, saves time, and increases your chances of securing financial support, especially useful in today's competitive landscape. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutorialorbiz@gmail.com.